Hi guys, I'm back with part 2 of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan Economy. Direct support to farmers and rural economy provided post COVID-19. 3 crore farmers with agricultural loans of 4.22 lakh crore got the benefit of 3-month loan moratorium. Moratorium is prohibition of activity for certain amount of time. In this case, farmers don't need to pay loans for 3 months. Interest subvention and prompt repayment incentive on crop loans due from March 1st are extended up to 31st May 2020. Now, interest subvention means a subsidy offered on interest rates. The subsidy helps the loan borrower in not having to pay the total interest amount on a loan amount. The central government provides all farmers a short-term loan up to 3 lakh. Under this scheme, farmers can avail a loan of 3 lakh at 7% rate of interest. It also provides an additional subvention of 3% for prompt repayment within a period of 1 year. This will help farmer to avail a loan up to 3 lakh at 4% rate of interest. In case farmers do not repay the loan in time, then they would be eligible for interest subvention. Now, because of COVID-19, the government extends benefit of 2% interest subvention and 3% prompt repayment incentive to all farmers up to 31st May 2020. Now, this will help farmers to repay their loans up to extended periods at 4%. 25 lakh new Kisan credit card sanctioned with loan limit of 25,000 crore. Kisan credit card is a credit scheme introduced in August 1998 by Indian banks. This model scheme was developed by National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development to provide term loans for agriculture needs. Liquidity support to farmers and rural economy provided post COVID-19. 63 lakh loans of 86,000 crore approved in agriculture between 1st March and 30th April 2020. Support of 4,200 crore is provided under Rural Infrastructure Development Fund to states during March 2020. Also, working capital limit of 6,700 crore sanctioned for procurement of agriculture produce to state governments. It means the states use the money to buy crops which farmers have produced. Working capital is amount used to run day-to-day business. Support for migrants and urban poor during last 2 months. Government of India has permitted state governments to utilize State Disaster Response Fund for setting up shelter for migrants and providing them food and water. Government of India also released 11,000 crore in advance to all states on 3rd April to increase funds in SDRF. 3 meals a day provided for residents of shelter for urban homeless during lockdown. 12,000 self-help groups have produced 3 crore masks and 1.2 lakh litre sanitizer. 7,200 new self-help groups of urban poor have been formed. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee for Migrants. 14.6 crore days of work generated till 13 May 2020. Actual expenditure by them till date is 10,000 crore. Average wage rate rose to 202 rupees from 182 last year. States and union territories advised to provide work to migrants. Labor codes, benefits for workers. Universalization of right of minimum wages and timely payment of wages to all workers including unorganized worker. Unorganized worker is a home-based worker or self-employed worker or a wage worker in unorganized sector. Unorganized sector includes weavers, fishermen, leather workers, etc. Appointment letters for all workers. This will promote formalization. Formalization means to make formal, especially for the sake of official or authorized acceptance. Annual health checkup for employees. Occupational safety and health code also applicable to establishments engaged in work of hazardous nature even with less than 10 workers. Extension of ESIC coverage pan-India to all districts. ESIC is Employee State Insurance Corporation. It is a self-financing social security and health insurance scheme for Indian workers. Government has made ESIC coverage mandatory for employees in hazardous industries. Free food grain supply to migrants for 2 months. Migrants who are neither NFSA or state card beneficiaries in the state they stationed will be provided 5 kg of grain per person and 1 kg chana per family per month for 2 months. NFSA is National Food Security Act was notified on 10th September 2013 with the objective to provide food and nutritional security. Rupees 3,500 crore will be spent on this. 1,500 crore interest subvention for Mudra Shishu loans. Mudra is Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Bank. It provides loans at low rates to microfinance institutions and non-banking financial institutions. Small businesses under Mudra has been disrupted. Government of India will provide interest subvention of 2%. 5,000 crore for street vendors. Lockdown had adverse impact on the livelihoods of street vendors. So this will provide initial working capital of rupees 10,000 and it will also support nearly 50 lakh street vendors and will also provide liquidity of 5,000 crore. Liquidity is nothing but direct cash available for investment or buying. 70,000 crore boost to housing sector and middle income group through extension of CLSS. CLSS is Credit Linked Subsidy Scheme for middle income group. The government has extended CLSS scheme up to March 2021. The CLSS is a benefit under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, which focuses on helping the middle income groups, economically weaker sections and lower income groups in India by bringing down their housing loan EMIs by over rupees 2,000 per month by offering them interest subsidy. 30,000 crore additional emergency working capital funding for farmers through NABARD. NABARD is short form for National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development. NABARD will extend additional refinance support of Rs 30,000 crore for crop loan requirement. This is over and above 90,000 crore provided by NABARD. Around 3 crore farmers are to be benefited from this. 2 lakh crore concessional credit to 2.5 crore farmers. Now concessional credit is a pre-approved loan at a concessional interest rate, that is less interest rate. It is done through Kisan credit cards. Fishermen and animal husbandry farmers are also included. And that's it for today guys. I'll be back soon. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.